Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing tools and safety. Put on gloves, park level, and engage the parking brake so nothing shifts. Once done, inspect the tag fasteners closely so you know if you need a tamper tool or penetrating oil. Make sure to position a small container to catch screws. You do not want them rolling away. Begin loosening the top screws first using a Phillips or the 1/4 socket. Remove them slowly so the tag stays aligned and steady in your hands. You continue by supporting the plate with one hand while removing the remaining screws. That prevents it from falling. If screws are stuck, apply penetrating oil and wait a few minutes, then try again. Make sure to use the correct driver to avoid stripping heads. If a head is stripped, a screw extractor or pliers will help. Once off, inspect the plate backing, any foam gaskets, and the frame for corrosion or damage so you know what to replace before reinstallation. You finish by cleaning the bumper or bracket surface with a rag and light cleaner, removing dirt that hides corrosion. Reinstall using new stainless screws and any needed gaskets. Tighten snugly, but do not over-torque so you avoid cracking the plate. If a screw head is stripped and an extractor fails, drill carefully and replace the retainer or consult a shop. One key troubleshooting tip: if a tamper-proof fastener resists, try the exact tamper driver.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.